Good afternoon. This time we want to talk about five important points about the colors. Number one is sensory abilities. Number two, color adaptations. Number three, color of beautiful and the reflection of the rainbow. Number five, color perceptions. The first we want to mention the dynamic roles in the have in natural environment. Partaking of the splendor of the vibrant ribbon against the red and blue of thundercloud after summer thunder, shall they closely examine the strident, beautiful wings, for color plays major roles in the fantastic white natural environment. The sensory abilities of the animals to detect certain color patterns have melody, environment white test the palette of visible color varies from animal to animal. Predators would not able to survive if these were unable to detect the coloration of the camouflage. Prey humans have the three colors perception. One each for red, number two is blue and green. We can only the colors that best reception of the receive. Other animals have additional color spectrum. Birds see ultraviolet color, and while you honeybee, thornbill, narwhal, local red receptor. Well, to evolve two color animals. Well, animal comes variety of shade, of hues, coloration, and the important adaptation that you mean the difference between life and death. However, animals what the brain in wide environment, such as of spot and killed from film of standout such as Wanskin and blue jay. Their coloration is generally inherent and tried, while there may be some minor variation of the unique of certain species, most is perceivable specimen. Well, are the beautiful and the butterfly, the wonderful flashes of the color sent out to wings to butterfly, and come from pigment of the powdering scalp that cover the wings. Each species has its own distinct making of thought invasional in the variation was normal. Both crypting and restricting coloration help break of the beautiful fortune well-renowned example of the remixing and coloration is the Barbershop butterflies, covering the black of the orange warning coloration of the monitors. While the rainbows, if the rainbows are visible to because of the use they reflect on arrays by filling rainbows while most standing a certain angle from the use of the others to see it always opposite from where you are standing. On sunrise and sunset, well, the glowing red, rose, orange, and yellow all with on the surface and sunset of the coast when sunlight possible of clouds participate in the Earth atmosphere setting of the spectacular display. While in the wildflowers and in the rare flora is just three plants color pigments. They include the green of chlorophyll, found in leaves and stem, the yellows to reading the orange, and carotenoids to form the carrots, and the red of blue and tisnamide of bean of red and blue flowers. Well, I take answer the next questions of the search of the collections. Well, the first question is about the what are the pigment are the plants? Well, in this case, these have three colors: blue, yellow, and orange, and green, the red colors. Well, the next question is about of the what do these colors animal? And well, they use They use a color of the defense mechanism pursued and the protect their predators, which do help in your minds. While the next vision is about of the halo of the use to the sea and flashes on the rainbow. Because light that is reflected in the age of falling, the rainbow sound is praised to reflect and perception of the age. But in conclusion of the earth, age animal and human space perceiving different worlds of colors and all of them color distinct to between pleasant and enveloping things. Thank you.